G.B.R. continuation. It is right after 5 o'clock, and we have just dismissed here at Brooks County Courthouse. And I'm in Quitman, Georgia, in the county of Brooks. There's a lot of strange things going on here in Quitman. We didn't see the TV cameras, but I assure you there's a lot of excitement in the house. For instance, I'm across the street from the Brooks County Courthouse by orders of Judge Ronnie Joe Lane. He informed us that we cannot record anywhere on the courthouse grounds in this area. He says the protection of the jurors. I believe that this is the first time since I've been doing this, and I've been in civil and human rights and women's rights since 1975. This is the first time that I ever had anybody tell us that we cannot record. Now, what they did do, they did bring up that they are not providing parking spaces for the jurors in the back of this building. And this is the way now they are also exiting the building before the regular people can come out of the courtroom, which I think should have been implemented a long, long time ago. Moreover, when the judge comes in, they would not even have the people to stand for the most part. You didn't hear what you normally hear in Lowndes County, in Port St. Joe, in Jacksonville, in Lakeland, in most every place that I've been in. They give respect, people stand when the judge come in, etc., etc. Well, after I brought that up, and I do mean after I brought it up, and people took notice of that, they came back and told me that, well, now it looks more like a courtroom. Be that as it may, I don't mind coming across the street to record. In fact, I don't mind going another mile away to record because I still can do that. But I do believe that the people in Brooks County and Quitman and the state of Georgia have a right to know what is going on under their form of government. So as you can see, people are still standing in front of the Brooks County Courthouse. They are here because they are concerned. Just a few minutes ago, we had a 98-year-old registered voter who spoke very positively about the trustworthiness of Lula Smart and her credibility. We also had a document into evidence today that it was incomplete. As you know, the district attorney for Lowndes County is David Miller. David Miller was also on the stand today. And if the Valdosta Daily Times don't tell you nothing about it, and maybe I'm not going to get in depth to you, but I could if I wanted to because I take very good notes. But I just want you to get a short synopsis of what goes on here in South Georgia. In fact, when I first set my camera up, there was two white women passed by here and stopped right here and asked me, "Where are you? Are you covering this program? I mean, the court case." I said, "Yes, I'm covering." She said to me, "Well, how can we find out something about it? Isn't that strange that Channel 6, 27, and other TV stations just maybe not be covering this station, this story, but yet they gonna ask me, how can they see what's going on here?" Now, I never claimed to be. I didn't start out to do this. I only got into this when I found out that there's so much news in South Georgia and North Florida that go unpublished. And so I took it upon myself. Moreover, I forgot to mention, the Madison 9 that I was also brought up on charges for alleged ballot or voter fraud, just like the Quitman 10 plus 2. And out of those 7 people, all charges were dropped except 2. This seemed like something that the late Senator Robert Brown said is a game that the Republican Party, let's just face it, I'm quoting him, is doing to intimidate and disenfranchise voters in the state of Georgia. Once again, this is the Ghetto Free Press. I'm in the streets of Quitman. I'll be back tomorrow. I want you to know what's going on. And it's amazing again, a high-profile case such as this. Well, I'll let you handle the rest of it. Bye-bye, we gone.